Well, hello. Today we're going to talk about creating your influence on social media. And so you want to make sure you post something that not only just posting, but also to make sure people engage. So let's see this example of a post that was created for the best burger. I mean, we don't know if it's really the best burger, but yeah, that picture alone does speak a lot. It tastes good. It looks yummy. It's like, when you look at it, you feel like, I want one. So that's good to just have a picture that speaks by itself. The people, when they see it, they want to click on it. So if you look at this post, it says the best burger and it download the app and get a 20% discount. That's actually good too. And then you have the link for a button to download it. It simplifies everything, right? You can just click, 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 and then you get what you wanted. Now, we can also improvise this. This is good. This is good. But I'm not saying that you cannot repurpose the same post, the same um, creation you did. You can repurpose this. You don't even have to change everything. You can change some of it, but then change some of it and create a new post, like, change a little bit here and there. And so I'm going to show you how you can create a new one out of this post. Let's see what's next. So here, so I made some changes. I made this eternity yellow, which kind of reflect on this yellow yummy that looks like pineapple. And then and then this one changed this side here to yellow as well. So it kind of coordinate, but this one is the same, right? So this is one way of creating just to kind of, you know, pose out there that, hey, we're still here. We're still in business. So this is good. The only thing with this is just kind of telling them, hey, you can now order online. So that is like it's up to them. But of course, you still can get some order from this because it has the picture of yummy burger, right? The next thing another way you can do this is to add some more information. It's still the same. You use the same, the yellow, change to yellow, that's fine. And then you want to change a little bit of what the content is about. So here it's still the same, but then you added this best burger. A hashtag is very, very important. It does help you get to your viewers, and also it gets you to um, hang out with the same people, like-minded people that thinks of burger as, I want a burger. I love burgers. Or anybody who is into burgers. So this is another way. And with hashtag, it can give you a wider reach. Then the last thing you can do with repurposing your post is to do a this and that. So with the old one post that you did, is pretty much the same. They both are the same. You only need to do a this or that. Which one would you prefer? As a someone who is interested to learn about social media marketing, this is something you can think of when you're posting. Is this post Is post A better or is post B better? Is it better to just post something like, hey, welcome, like, hey, you can order online with our app, and that's it. Whereas if you use this other um, post, is there's a hashtag, there's a discount, and so that has more offer or more what I would say more extras or bonus to whoever wants to click on it. So if you choose this between this or that, you would probably choose, excuse me, you would probably choose the second one, right? And so it's the same thing when you're posting, you're not thinking about what would people click, what would they like to see. If you have extras, bonuses, yes, they would love that. So just like that, you can repurpose your old post. You can make some changes in your post to recreate the same post. And that way you don't have to start from scratch all the time. That saves you time, right? And the third one, which is to get more engagement, is to ask your audience this or that. What do you want? Which one would you prefer? Things like that. So these are just basic things that you can do to grow your influence, to build your influence online, and of course, to get more following. That's it for today, our Tuesday tips for social media 101, how you can create your influence on social media. Bye, everyone.